We just learned about how the ancient Romans ate. What else can we say about how they lived? Well, just as we have pets in our homes today, so did the Romans. What kinds of domestic animals were kept back then, and how do we say their names in Latin? Gaius Iulius Paedrus was a Roman writer who translated a collection of Aesop's fables into Latin. These stories are very cute and also educational, and one of Paedrus's purposes in writing these fables was to teach simple morals. From these stories, which frequently featured animals, we can discern the names of many of the common domestic animals, as well as some English words that are derivatives of these names. Let's go over these together. Canis, canis. Felis, felis. Ovis, ovis. Asinus, asini. Mulus, muli. Porcus, porci. Equus, equi. Bos, bovis. Vacca, vaccae. Taurus, tauri. Avis, avis. Apis, apis. Gallina, gallinae. Testudo, testudinis. Cuniculus, cuniculi. Gallus, galli. Anas, anatis. Mus, muris. Agnus, agni. Rana, ranae. Formica, formicae. Papilio, papilionis. Aranea, araneae. Those are the most common animals that can be found around the home. But what about wild animals in the forest or the jungle? Let's move forward and take a look at those next.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.